Welcome back to Simply Filters. Let me paint a picture. You spend 20 minutes wiping down your counters. Maybe you bleach the sink, you fluff the pillows, step back and think, yes, this is a clean house. But then someone tells you, hey, your phone has more bacteria than your toilet seat, and suddenly you're questioning everything. Today, we're talking about the germiest places in your home that almost nobody thinks about, and some of these might honestly surprise you. When most of us clean, we focus on the obvious: kitchen counters, bathroom sinks, maybe the floors if we're feeling productive. But the real danger zones are usually the places you touch constantly but never wipe. Let's start with remote controls. Think about it. Every hand in your house has touched that thing, usually while eating snacks or lounging under a blanket that hasn't been washed in way too long. Next up is doorknobs and light switches. We tap them all day long, especially during cold and flu season, but they barely ever get disinfected. Sponges are a huge germ magnet too. If your sponge smells even a little weird, that's bacteria having a party. Bathroom faucets fall into the same category because we touch them with dirty hands before washing our hands. The good news is you don't have to deep clean your whole home every day. Pick a few of these forgotten spots once a week and give them a quick wipe with a disinfecting spray or wipe. It makes a huge difference in how clean your home actually is, not just how clean it looks. Alright, in the next video, we're getting into some truly gross facts no one tells you about. And trust me, you'll want to hear these. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it.